In this video, we are going to start to learn monolithic architecture vertical considerations, and we will start with the communications of monolithic architecture. Before we design of our application architecture, it is good to learn vertical considerations, and you can see the image on the slide. We are still on monolithic architecture, and vertically we can examine the communications, how to communicate with each other, how to perform distributed transactions, and how to deploy on cluster in monolithic architectures. So let's get started. So now we can talk about the communication of components into monolithic application. As you know that monolithic application sitting in the same server with all the modules, so we don't need to make any network call. So it is very easy and fast to communicate between modules of monolithic application, because the communication will be the inter-process communication. Inter-process communication is the mechanism provided by the operating system that allows processes to communicate with each other. So that means communication performs by method calls into the code. This communication could involve a process letting another process know that some event has occurred or transferring of data from one process to another. It processes to communicate with each other by method calls into the code. Also, asynchronous communication can be done in monolithic architecture with using message broker systems. But as you can see that we only use method calls for communicating in monolithic architecture. That is one of the biggest benefit monolithic architecture to the microservices, because microservices require inter-service calls. Monolithic architecture using inter-process communication, it is more faster.